Okay children, in previous class what you have learned, the first lesson is about the chinky at the party. Who is the chinky in that lesson ma? It is a cat. So now we are going to the next topic, that is about the kitten at the play. This is a poem. So this poem is related to a cat. So once I'll read the poem, you just say after me. See the kitten on the wall, sporting with the leaves that fall, withered leaves 1, 2 and 3, falling from the elder tree, through the calm and frosty air of the morning bright and fair. What it mean ma? First see the kitten on the wall. Kitten will be sitting on the wall, right? You have been seeing in nearby your houses. So kitten is sitting on the wall, sporting with the leaves that fall. Leaves in the autumn season, leaves will be falling down. So it is enjoying by that falling the leaves. Withered leaves 1, 2 and 3. It is counting the leaves. So falling from the big tree. Through the calm and frosty air. Frosty air means what ma? It's a winter season. In winter season, what air will get? Very cool air. So for that we can call as frosty air of the morning bright and fair. In the morning it will be very bright and fair na. So now going to the second stanza. See the kitten how she starts, crouches, stretches, paws and darts. With a tiger leap halfway, now she meets her coming prey. Let it go as fast and then has it in her power again. How cat will run ma? It will run so fast, no? So she is getting started to stretch her body with her paws and darts with a tiger leap halfway. How tiger will start running? So kitten also started running. She meets her coming prey. Prey means what? It's type of a her lunch or something like that. So let it go as fast as them, has it is her power again. By running, by eating any mouse or something, it will get a power back. So after eating anything, you will get power. No, you will get so much of energy to talk, to play, and etc. etc. So that is it. You just read this poem twice and make a practice. And these are the notes ma. These are the notes. About this, once I will read the questions, you just say the answers. First question, what is a kitten playing with in the first stanza? First stanza means this, first paragraph. What kitten is doing? What kitten is doing in the first stanza? It is counting the leaves, right? Okay, and what is the second? What are the leaves falling from? Sporting with the leaves that fall, withered leaves 1, 2 and 3. One by one leaves are falling from the tree. Okay, and what is this third one? In what season do you think the poem is written? What is it? Frosty air. In the third, fourth, fifth line, frosty air is there, no? So what is a frosty air? Frosty air means winter. So in winter, tick it on the winter. First, fourth one. What is a kitten's prey? Kitten's prey is what? A mouse. Okay. What words describe how the kitten meets her prey? What words kitten is describing? She is describing about her tiger leap, stretches, paws and darts. Fourth one, pick out the right and words from the poem that rhyme with the following. Rhyming words ma. Wall means wall, wall means fall. Air means fair. Tree means tree. Starts means darts. Okay? And for going to the next, this is an activity. This is an activity. Okay children? I am just reading out. Do this activity as a homework. We often observe the habits of your pet more carefully than those of wild and domestic animals. Do you have a pet at home? You have any pet at home, children? So if yes, write a few lines about it. If you don't have any pet, write something about your favorite animal. Also paste the picture of an animal. If you have any pet, paste a picture here and write 4 to 5 lines about that pet. If you don't have a pet, so if you write about your favorite animal, paste the picture over here and write the sentence. I will send this photo, I will send this pic in the group. You just see once. Okay, thank you.